Hello everyone, this is Cindy, and today I'm going to take you on a tour of your site status page for Automated Wealth Network's My Cash Freebies site. And of course, you're getting paid $30 per referral that comes in and meets their credit requirements. Over here, it'll show you the offers that you did and the amount of credits you received. And then you will have the green bar here that says you've met the offer requirements when you have done all your credits. And then underneath that is your Automated Wealth Network ID number, and that is the number that you put into your back office, and that leads, when somebody opts into your capture page, it leads them to your ID number. So if there's a number already in the back office there, just make sure you delete it out and put yours in. And this is the full referral link here if you wanted to just give somebody your direct referral link, but it's better to use the capture page, then that way you have them in your leads list and you can follow up with them through your autoresponder. And this right here is your referral status, and this just shows you everything about your referrals. And it does take a few minutes, or not a few minutes, but it does take a bit for it to load. And once you get into your referral status, it's going to show you the date they signed up, their email address, whether or not they've met their offer requirements. And if they have met their offer requirements, if you have been paid for them, they will be marked used. It also shows you how many credits this person has completed, and then that way you can kind of keep track of where they are and if you need to follow up with them. If you have a referral that's been placed on hold, you can click right here and it'll take you directly to your admin messages, and I will go over that in the admin messages tab. And then details will just tell you what offers that the person did to get their credits. And then on your admin messages tab here, that will be any messages that you have received regarding your referrals, and they also receive an admin message to their account as well, and then that way you can help them fix whatever the problem is as you both get notification. And you can also delete them if you would like as well. If you get a lot of admin messages in there, you don't want them to keep stacking up, and you might want to delete them, but it is permanent, so if you want to keep them in there you can, but you don't have to. And then this is where advertiser offers are, and those are obviously the offers that you complete. And there's the video that tells you how to complete offers, and scroll down and that's where all of the offers that are currently available are. Order status is just where you place your order to get paid, and you will have a green box here if you have a person who has met their credit requirements, and then you click here where it says click here to place your order to be paid, and then you can decide how you want to be paid through MCF. Member support is just where you would go to put in a support ticket and ask My Cash Freebies a question. And you would just fill out this little form here, and with the subject and what the question is, and click submit, and that will go directly to the MCF staff and they will answer you. And this is also where you would file a missing credit request if you have a offer that doesn't credit, and you would just click that link here and it takes you to the missing credit request, and it tells you how to go about filing it. And there are also some videos that tell you how to go about filing an MCR. And then your member profile is obviously your information that you have in there, and I'm not going to click on that and show you my information, but it's just your profile. If you need to change something in there, you would just click there and you would change the information and update it. AWN International is obviously about how international people get qualified, and it just goes through the whole qualification process. How it works just explains how the freebie sites work, where you have people come in, you have them do their offers, and they get their credits, and then you get paid for them completing their credit requirements. Promotions link would be any type of promotions that My Cash Freebies is doing, and right now there's no promotion information there, but that is where you would go to check on promotions for MCF. Payment options just tells you the different payment options that are available, which with My Cash Freebies you can get paid through PayPal, company check, money order, or direct deposit. And if you want to get paid by direct deposit, you have to fill out the direct deposit form and fax it in or email it in to the MCF staff. And it does take about 5 to 7 days to get approved for direct deposit. This is the testimonial section, and that's just where obviously where everybody is telling how great My Cash Freebies is. And this is the crediting guide, and to me this is the most important part of this particular page. The crediting guide is very important in getting your credits properly, and obviously if you're already set up and you have your credits, you're not really worried about that. But if you have other referrals that you're bringing in, you want to make sure that they're reading the crediting guide. And it goes through the whole process of setting it up through Internet Explorer and through Firefox, and how to go about deleting your cookies and all of that stuff there. And that is the very most important thing that you can do to make sure that you get your credits properly. And then this is just where you click to read the privacy policy, and this is the terms of service. And the terms of service obviously is a very big tab on this page, and it tells everything about the terms of service of My Cash Freebies and what you can and what you can't do, obviously. And it also goes through how to contact the support staff, and that's also on the other page as well in the support ticket portion. And the rules, and it just goes through all of the terms of service there and how about crediting offers. And this is something you should also read before signing up, or if you're having your referrals, make sure that when you're following up with them, make sure that they're reading the terms of service and also the crediting guide, as those two things are very important. And that is a tour of your AWN My Cash Freebie site. I hope everyone found this information to be helpful, and I will see everyone on my next video. Hope you're all having a wonderful evening. Bye bye.